In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Salesforce with Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. To start this integration process, you'll first need to log in to your Zendesk account. Be sure to sign in with an account that has admin privileges. This is important because you won't be able to access the necessary settings without the appropriate permissions. Once you're logged in, your next step is to open the Admin Center. You can do this quite easily. Look for the gear icon on the left side of your screen. Just click on that icon, and it will take you into your admin controls, where you can manage all sorts of settings. Now that you're in the Admin Center, you'll want to navigate to the Integrations section. Look on the left sidebar and find the option that says Apps and Integrations. When you expand that menu, you'll see an option for integrations. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the area where you can set up various integrations for your Zendesk account. Once you're in the integrations menu, scroll down until you find Salesforce. When you see it, you'll notice 3 little dots next to its name. Click on those dots and select Connect from the drop-down menu. You'll then need to choose your environment. If you're looking to link your live, active Salesforce account, select the Production option. This is where all of your real data resides. However, if you're just testing things out or setting up a new system, you might want to choose Sandbox instead. It allows you to experiment without worrying about disrupting any live operations. After you've selected your environment, make sure to check the box that confirms you accept the Terms of Use agreement. Once you've done that, click on Connect Salesforce. This will initiate the connection process between your Zendesk and Salesforce accounts. Now comes the authentication step. You will be redirected to a page where you will need to log in with your Salesforce credentials. Once you've entered your login information, you'll be directed to a permissions screen. Here, you'll review all the permissions you're allowing, and when you're satisfied, go ahead and click on Allow or Grant Access. This is crucial, as it securely establishes the data sharing between both platforms you need for seamless integration. Congratulations! You've taken some significant steps toward integrating Salesforce with Zendesk. Once everything is authorized and connected, you'll be able to see your Salesforce tickets in Zendesk, enhancing your capabilities and streamlining your workflow. Remember, integration doesn't just save you time, it also allows for better data management and improved customer service experiences across your platforms. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for watching,